Hi guys, I apologize that this is so late. I thought I was doing lesson or chapter 8, not week 8. Anyway, we are doing the bank reconciliation sheet for the Blossom Company. So we start out by dating it, and it's just going to be the date of the day we're doing it for, which is July 31st, 2017. Next, we are going to start off with doing the cash balance per bank statement. So we'll do the bank section first, and then second will be cash balance per books. So from up here, we see that our cash balance per bank as of that date is $7,888. So we go ahead and enter that in here. To that amount, we're going to add deposits in transit. So things that we have already deposited, but that just the bank hasn't finished calculating or recognizing yet. So that will be $3,260. That brings our total to $11,148. Now we're going to subtract the outstanding checks. Since those things have not been deposited, but really we don't have that cash anymore because we've already written those checks. And that is, as it says up here, $699. So subtracting that, we get our adjusted cash balance per bank, which is $10,449. Next, we're doing the cash balance per books. And up here at the top, it tells us that that number, as of the end of July, is $7,924. We are going to add the electronic funds transfers that we have received, and that, as of right here, is $2,576. Now, the reason we didn't have that written originally was because the bank collected it for us, so we hadn't recorded it yet, and that's where we're entering that in here, which gives us our new balance of $10,500. And then the bank charged us a service fee. So we're going to subtract that service fee, which is $51. So our adjusted cash balance per books is $10,449. So you can see right here that both of those adjusted balances are equivalent. Now below, we mentioned that we hadn't recorded that electronic funds transfer that was received on our behalf by the bank, so we need to account for that. So we will write in here that we are debiting cash because we received that money, and we are crediting accounts receivable because we no longer need to receive it. We've already received it. We also need to enter in the bank service charge. So that expense will be the bank charge expense, and we're debiting that account. And that cost us $51 in cash, so we will credit $51 to our cash account. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Again, I apologize this was late. Hopefully this helps if any of you had questions. Good luck with everything.